Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Here's a simple guide to making a beautiful crochet white star keyring. Gather your materials: white crochet thread, a small crochet hook, a keyring, a pair of scissors. Start by making a slip knot with your crochet thread. Chain 5 stitches to form a small loop. Join the last chain to the first with the slip stitches to create a ring. Chain 2 stitches. This counts as the first half of your first double crochet. In the ring, crochet 15 double crochets. Each stitch should be worked into the ring. Join the round with a slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet. Chain 2 stitches to start the next round. Join this round with a slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet. Chain 1 stitch to start the star's points. In the next stitch, crochet a double crochet, chain 1 stitch. Repeat this pattern 5 times around, creating 5 points of the star. Slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet to close the round. To make the points stand out, crochet 3 more double crochets. After finishing, join the round with a slip stitch. Cut the yarn, leaving a small tail. Thread the tail through a needle and weave it into the skewered the stitches. Attach the keyring to one of the points by threading it through the top of the star. Adjust the star's position on the keyring as desired. Trim any excess yarn. Your crochet white star keyring is now complete. Enjoy your beautiful handmade accessory. You can also make variations with different colors or add embellishments. Try using different thread weights to make bigger or smaller stars. Experiment with adding beads or sequins for extra sparkle. Remember to keep your stitches even for a neat finish. If you make a mistake, you can easily undo stitches and redo them. Practice will help you get better at making uniform stars. This keyring makes a great gift for friends and family. You can create matching sets of keyrings for a fun group project. Store your keyring in a safe place until you are ready to use it. Make sure to let it air dry completely. Practice different crochet patterns to improve your skills. Share your keyring project on social media. Don't be afraid to try new patterns and designs. Keep your workplace tidy for a more enjoyable. Thanks for watching. Happy crocheting.